All right, I'm going to do a series on how strong these homes are for hurricanes and all that fun stuff. But I just want you guys to kind of understand how this really works. See all the rebar sticking up? When they go to do the block, they'll put a half block there so the rebar is sticking out so they can actually see that the concrete goes all the way down. They'll stick a piece of rebar all the way down through the block and tie it together. But this is kind of the neat thing that a lot of people don't get to see. The concrete will fill up both these holes all the way through. So basically, you're going to have kind of like a full block of concrete filled up all the way to the top. And then they'll strap it in from there. That's just one of the ways. What I'll do is I'll do another video when we do the strapping, or actually the rebar that goes down through. And we'll go over that at that time. But that kind of shows you, and if you look at all the holes in the bottom, that's where rebar and concrete are going to be. Every rebar is going to have another rebar tied to it, and then it's going to be poured solid. And you can see them all the way down through there.